Part 2 of creating your custom GPT Invoice Processor. So before you continue, don't forget to save this video so that you can reference it later. And of course, if you have not yet followed me, do it now. So the last time we left off after we had done our webhook. So this time around, what we need to do is that we need to prepare to transfer the data over to Google Sheets. So the first thing you want to do is that you want to go over to Google Sheets and make sure that you actually create a new Google Sheet. You can actually give it a name and make sure that you fill up the header accordingly. So once you actually created your Google Sheet, you'll go back to N and you will add the Google Sheet note. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the plus sign on the top right, click on that, find Google Sheets, click on that, and then use Sheet within Documents and Action, and I will append new row in Sheet. Click on this and this will pop up. So what you want to do now is that I want to make sure that it's actually connected to the right account, right? Resource is the sheet within the document, operation append the row. So I got to make sure that I select the right document, right, and the right sheets. So once I've done that, you can see that it's actually fetching the column, and now we have all the column over here. You can see that I have the previous data in. So you want to make sure that the system knows actually what data to input, right? So I will go over, make sure that I find the schema, and on the body, and drag and drop over the right information that I want to be inputted into the Google Sheet once ChatGPT actually analyze the data. So let me just drag and drop all the information over. So once I've done that, right, you can see that it's all mapped correctly, and I'm going to click Execute Step to test it. So let me just click on Execute Step. So let's head back to Google Sheets to see, and you can see that the information is now passed over. So great, that's all set up. Now, how do you actually want to activate this system and test it on ChatGPT? So very importantly, you have to understand that when you actually pass the workflow over, you're actually using a test hook. So what you want to do is that you want to use the production URL instead. So actually the difference between these two is just that it doesn't have the word test behind it. So once I know that I want to actually have this thing go live, I head back to ChatGPT, make sure that you go to the custom GPT that we created, and make sure that you delete away the test hook. Right, you can see right over here, delete that away, and then click on save. So I'm going to end it then, make sure that I activate the workflow. So now the workflow is activated. I am going to go back to ChatGPT. So I have another demo invoice, double click on that, process this, click on enter. You can see that ChatGPT is analyzing the information on this invoice, and it's now sending the data over to the webhook. Let's confirm that. And it says that the data has been successfully sent. And you can see that now we have the information actually input in the Google Sheets. And this is how you build an invoice processing custom GPT simply just by using two nodes from N. If you like this video, don't forget to comment and let me know what you liked about it, and if you want me to do more, and don't forget to follow me.